What's up, family? It's your main man, Bossa Nova, aka Rich James. Got that free game for you, I promise you. I'm gonna give you 3 steps, you know what I'm saying, to start your way to financial freedom. 3 easy steps, alright? First thing you need to do is work on your credit. Alright, if you don't have no credit, you need to establish some credit. And it's very simple. Go to Capital One. Small loans like that, get a 250 secured or unsecured card. That's how you're gonna start out. Right? You're gonna make sure you pay all them payments on time. Alright? You're gonna cash that card out, spend it as soon as you get your check or regular check or whatever, pay the whole card and you use it for your purchases throughout the month. Pay the whole thing off again. So rinse and repeat on that. Alright? So then while you're building your credit, the next thing you're gonna do is go ahead and after a couple months, you're gonna apply for an increase on that. And when you apply for an increase, you're gonna go ahead and start applying for your business license. You're gonna start going ahead and getting some type of LLC and everything like that. And you're gonna get a bank account, upgrade your bank account to a business account. And that's the second thing you're gonna do. And the third thing you're gonna do is start getting funding for a business. By this time, everybody got a business plan. Everybody got their own business they want to start. You know, some people want a barbershop, some people want to auto detailing, some people want to do it big. You know, some people want real estate. You know, some people want to do, jewelry, cars, whatever. You know, people got different stuff they want to do. So once you build your credit, get the business paperwork information legitimate, then you're gonna go ahead and get a loan. Because by then everything should be built up on your credit, looking good, your account, you got a business account, and everything looks good, and you start applying for a loan. Once you get that loan, you reinvest it. You invest it, make sure you don't blow it, it's on you after that. You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make him drink. That's what I was saying on my last video. Everybody was confused. There it is. But I told you, but indeed, if you need help with that, do tap in, reach out. You know what I'm saying? You can reach out to your man, Bossa Nova, aka Rich James. Hit me up. Go to my Patreon, www.patreon.com/Wealth Builders Academy. You know what I'm saying? There you can tap in with me. You can send me a message. You can also see some of the literature we have available for you guys to check out. And if you want to be a paid member, you know what I'm saying, want to work on the tap in. You know what I'm saying? You can hit me up on my Instagram, Bossa Nova @BossaNova453. You know what I'm saying? And we'll get you everything set up. We can help you with all this. So no need to get confused. I'll help you with some shortcuts. Get tapped in with somebody that's already plugged in. We'll make it easy for you. Definitely. That's how I did it. That's how everybody got to do it. You know, that's the way. That's the way to save time and energy. I see a lot of times people waste their time trying to figure out themselves, get lost in the, get out there in the water without no paddle, get lost in the woods. You know, you don't gotta do that. You know what I'm saying? Come tap in with me. Bossa Nova. You know what I'm saying? Get in the game. And we'll be good to go. So I'm out. Appreciate y'all, man. Check me out. Everything that I talked about, links that you need will be down in the description. And you know what I'm saying? Until next time, I'm out.